guys, okay. I'm gonna fix my shoe. Okay, just restart. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing another video. So you guys know that I have a slime shop in my Instagram. So yeah, I'm just gonna be giving out some information from my slime shop because I really want you guys to buy. I make legit really cool slimes, but I'm gonna make some butter slimes, fluffy cloud, scented slimes. We're gonna get there in the future. I'm sorry if I look like a mess because I woke up and I went to my room to change and get some slime. So here's like my new slime. It's called Coffee. I don't know if I wrote it wrong, but it's like coffee. But if you guys buy, I will put my shop in the description. So yeah. But if you guys buy from me, you guys have to DM me. And you guys can just put the money. Never mind. This is so. And I do get my containers from my mom. I don't buy it, but I will. When I get my allowance money, I will buy new supplies to make some slime. Because I've been dying to get instant snow to make a cloud slime. I might have to go on YouTube, like here on YouTube, to get a tutorial because I do not know how to make a cloud slime. But I will, like, if you guys, like, also go on my Instagram and you guys want, like, a review on your Instagram or like whatever, on Musically or whatever, you guys can just do a review. But you guys have to DM me on Instagram. Your address and stuff, that's all I need really. I just need your address. Yeah. But if you guys just order normal slimes, like you don't like do a review on it, I only sell up like to $1 slimes all the way to $3.99. It's not that expensive. It's because if you guys are wondering why it's sometimes actually, if I even put it to $7 or $5 or $6, it doesn't really matter because it's because sometimes I just need to use things in my house like ingredients, and like sometimes I have to buy some of my own ingredients to make slime, and sometimes things can actually be really expensive. So yeah, but I do restock like every Friday in the month. But if sometimes you guys do not see me restocking, that means like it's probably because I don't have time, or like because I'm on summer vacation right now, because I have like a lot of plans for summer. Sometimes I would be doing that, or it's because I just don't feel like it. I know that's a really bad excuse, but yeah, it's really tiring when you have to make slimes because you take a bunch of I only have 1 gallon of glue and I made so many slimes. But I do sell up to, oh my God, 18, I think 8-ounce slimes and 6 ounces, I think. Yeah, but I sell some in these containers, and I sell other ones like, in like containers like this. So yeah, but if you just buy normal slime, you can buy as much as you want. But since I sell on Etsy, you guys have to like enter your own things and stuff. I have to get at Etsy again because I erased it, so I have to get back ready before I can edit. but I do have my shop in my Etsy account in my Instagram, so you guys can go to the store, but I haven't edited it yet, so it will be a problem for you guys. But also, I don't want to make this video too long. But you can just buy normal slimes, and I still don't have my Etsy account. You guys might have to send it in the UPS store, or just send it or something like that. I don't really know because I'm not an expert. But you just buy normal slimes. I will send notes. You guys have to DM me all the extras on my account that you want. I might sometimes just give you guys beads or glitters or foam beads for extras, or sometimes candy. Or sometimes and I might also give you some cream just in case, because sometimes yeah, but it would come with the slimes that you bought. It would come with the note, your extras, and borax for activator. Yeah, I'm not an expert at making slime, so some of my slimes would be kind of hard. Just kidding. But if you play with it a lot, it probably will get hard, because I gave my cousin a free slime because she was going to do a review on it, but she ended up not doing a review. But I did give her some slimes, and she had to pay me $12. She was going to do a review on her YouTube, but it was so many bloopers and it was like so cringy, so instead she didn't put it up online. But yeah, I'm literally trying to add activator. Oh my god, I have too much. Well, the slime that I'm playing right now is called Coffee. It actually is slime, if you're wondering. I'm in my basement, but where I usually make my slime is in the kitchen. But if you guys are wondering, I do sell slimes like every Friday even. But also, like I said earlier, I might sometimes not restock because I ran out of glue, or it's because I'm like on vacation, or I don't feel like it. But I'll also try to make my best slimes for you guys to enjoy. But if you guys don't get it on time, I'm sorry, because I live in the U.S., I think. I really don't know because I'm so young. I haven't been in 3rd grade, so I'm supposed to go to 3rd grade. But we're not talking about ages or grades. But yeah. And you guys are wondering if someone helps me with my slimes. No, sometimes my uncle helps me with some of the names, or sometimes helps me package my slimes. Well, he will do that, and he will also probably edit my labels, because I will make better and be a better slime shop. If you guys don't think it's my best, I don't really care if you guys say that, because I know it's not the best slime shop. It's because I'm trying to work hard on my slime shop every time I restock and stuff. I'm not the best person. Like, check out Greedy Slimes and Emily Creative. They're really good slimers and like sellers. But yeah, I do try my best to make good slimes for y'all. But also, On the other side, I might as well do bad slimes, not. As I just try, like, for real, I actually really try to make good slimes, but if they turn out really bad, I'm sorry. But I'm just playing with the slime for you guys can see, like, the texture. Sometimes I have to play with the slimes to see how good it is. Yeah, I did wash my hands. I'm not disgusting. Sometimes I can be. That's actually really sticky. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. And remember, guys, if something's wrong with your slime or package, just DM me on Instagram, really. I will put my username in the description. But yeah, I want to try to make a swirl. Oh my god. Let's I do recommend also, there's a bunch of slime people, like slime sellers on Instagram. I don't know them all, so if I'm not saying your name in this video, sorry. But if you guys buy more than 4 slimes, you would get a better extras. You might get 2 candies or 3. But you won't buy less than 4 slimes. Or just 4 slimes, you won't get more than 1 candy. But you will still get extras. But if you only order 1 slime, that's still okay. Because if you guys order more slimes than usual, you'll just get like more slimes than 4. You guys will have to pay a lot of money, and I'm gonna make a video after this probably. Like I said, I will do like a restock slime, but that's also how to make a slime. So I'm gonna do a video on Friday probably. I will try to post every day because I'm on summer vacation right now. But if I don't get to post like most of the time, that means I probably have been busy or something. My parents have a lot of plans. Even my uncle, which is right over there, making a weird face. So yeah, time for ASMR. I'm not filming you. Jeez. I'm just gonna use. The lighting isn't the best, but if you guys are wondering, this is my new restock slime. Oh my god. Oh, that almost went on the ground. But also my slimes do not have hair. Oh, yeah. They don't have hair. And I pinky promise I'm not lying. Even if they have hairs, I will get them all out. I shouldn't be talking about that right now.